So this is from Five Below. It was given to me. Look at that. And it's operated by two AA batteries. How cute is that? Look at that. From Five Below, $5. Hi. Yeah, I know. Look at that. My candles. Oh my god. I love them. How cute. And the light right there. So you can imagine how it will look at night. Go check it out. If they, I'm not sure if they have any, but if they do, go and check it out for $5. I think it's so cute. And since I finally reached 1,000 subscribers, I promised you guys that I was going to do a giveaway. So comment below like what you guys would like as a thank you from me to you. Every time I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. So let me know what you guys are interested. Would you like one of these? Let me know. Bye.